be discussing this anymore since we are focusing merely on application of it. Now, if you want to understand it more deeply, then you can pursue course in mathematics or statistics. So standard normal curve transforming x to z. So the values of z are computed using the formula. Okay. So z is equal to value minus mean over standard deviation, or in notation that is z equals x minus mean over standard deviation. Okay. Where x are you where x is the normal value. Okay. So we are using this formula for us to transform our normal curve to a standard normal curve. Remember this. This is very important for us. Okay. So the figure below illustrates a standard normal distribution. The values at the horizontal axis are the values of the random variable z, the transform values of random variable x. So usually when you transform your um, random variable x, it will looks like this. Negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. And 0 is the, as you can see, its counterpart is the mean, because according to the earlier definition, a standard normal curve is a normal curve with mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. That's why, as you can see, the interval here, 0, 1 is 1. 1, 2, 1 again, 2, 3, 1. And then going to the left, another 1. So if you count like 0, 1, 1, and 2, okay? That's why standard deviation is 1. Now, there is this empirical rule based on the equation introduced by De Moivre for any normally distributed random variable x. So approximately 68.26% of all values of x lie within one standard deviation from the mean. Approximately this percent of all values lies in the interval uh, mu minus SD or and mu plus SD, with about 34.13% on each side of the mean. So let's go back on the here. So ito yung ibig sabihin niya. So ibig niya sabihin, approximately 68.26% ng lahat ng value ng x na tinransfer mo nasa mm, one standard deviation. So you can see here, from 0 to negative 1, there is a 34.13%. Also, from 0 to positive 1, there is 34.13%. That's why, sabi niya, from the mean, 1 unit from the mean, that's negative 1, and 1 unit from the mean to the right, that's positive 1. A total approximation is 68.26. Kaya pag inad mo yung dalawa, 34 and 34, the answer is 68. Okay? That's the explanation of that. Approximately 95.44% of all values lie between two standard deviation of the mean. Okay? So, tingnan natin. So, two standard deviation daw. So, 2 from the going to the left, 0, 1, 2. So, here, from 0 until negative 2. So, pag inad mo yan, same thing, going to the right, from 0 to 2. Pag inad mo yung both side, ang answer niya daw ay 95.44. Same goes with the 3 standard deviation. Okay? So, kapag tatlo yung standard deviation mo, 1, 2, 3, hanggang dito, and then kapag inad mo raw, dito, okay, you will get a totality of 99.74. Now, sir, where does the remaining percent is? So, nandito na yan, behind, or nasa labas na ng negative 3 and positive 3. Okay? So, that's the meaning of that. Right? So, before we compute problems or solve problems with regards to normal curve, let's try to understand how we use the z-table. Okay? Because since we will be converting x values to z, we must know how to use a z table.